Hi everybody, Arthur with Dasha AI, and this is a very quick rundown of how you might use external functions to have your Dasha app make HTTPS requests. So first file we take a look at is main.dsl. So this is your Dasha script file, and see, we declare the Dasha script file is where you basically write out the entirety of your conversational script. In this particular case, it's a very, very simple script where a certain while E coyote is calling Acme Rockets and Supplies hotline and is asking what's the status of his application to be able to purchase rockets and supplies. So note that we are declaring external functions right up top here at line 5, 6, and 7. We've got two external functions. One passes an argument fruit. The other passes no argument. The first one returns a Boolean value. The second one returns a string value. So scroll down a little bit and digression status. You see we've got Dasha saying, hey, it seems your phone number is tied to a Mr. Weil E. Coyote. Can you please confirm the answer to the secret question? What is your favorite fruit? So we collect the reply of the user and we store that reply as variable fruit, which we then pass to the external function confirm. So the external function is executed in the index.js in the JavaScript file, which also runs your Dasha SDK. And it's executed within the function which runs the Dasha SDK. So if you scroll down just a little bit, you will find external function confirm favorite fruit, app set external confirm. We collect the argument fruit. It is passed as an object, so we need to specify args.fruit here. And then we're calling an API, in this case a test API, making a post request with Axios and collecting the returned data. So we're logging the data, collecting the returned data, and within the returned data we're looking for the value of the favorite fruit field. Right here you can see what that JSON data returned to us looks like. And then we're comparing. If args.fruit is equal to the received fruit value, then we return true, in which case the conversation goes on to the next node. So let me just show you very quickly how this conversation looks like. I'm going to get a call on my phone number in just a second. There it is. Hello.
Hello. Thank you for calling the Acme Rockets and Supplies hotline. I'm your artificially intelligent agent Dasha. How can I help you today?
Yeah, I've been chasing this Roadrunner for years now, and I put in an application for some rockets. I'd like to know what the status of my Acme Rockets applications is.
Great. To tell you your Acme Rockets application status, I need to confirm your identity. It seems your phone number is tied to a Mr. Wile Coyote. Can you please confirm the answer to the secret question? What is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is Roadrunner.
Great. Identity confirmed. Let me just check your status. Congratulations, Mr. Coyote. Your application is approved. You can now buy anything you like at the Desert Acme shop by the Big Cactus. Anything else I can help you with today?
No, that's it. Thank you.
Thank you and happy trails.
Bye. So there you go. I'm linking to a much more detailed text tutorial with code samples and going over the code in the GitHub repo. I'm also linking the GitHub repo in the description below. And if you've got any questions, pop into our Dasha community and ask them. Ask away.